Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Plague Inc. Not so sure how that works, but type your disease name. Dad is sad. Bacteria, I guess. I'll go on easy, I've never played. What is this? Okay, next I guess. Select a country. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way over here in Australia. Cause I'm in Canada. Oh, wouldn't that be in China? Whatever. Okay. Oh, Australia. Dad is sad is spreading very slow in Australia. Check info on the region to see why. Okay, hot and rich and blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, I know how to play. I played kind of this before. I've played a game like this before. I know how to play. Health and which countries are less effective? More work is needed from science to develop a cure. Okay. I kind of want that. That seems good. Okay, so like, now, do I just wait? I guess. Oh, 2 people infected. So, hot weather observed in most world regions. Scientists. Okay, that makes no sense. We still only have 2 people infected. Rats. Okay, yeah. Rats become. Ooh. Disease-carrying rats increase infectivity in upon regions by interacting with food, water, objects, or directly with humans by bites. And cattle. Damn, okay. So we only have 2 infected, and in the world we only have 2. Well, we're getting a bunch of DNA points. So symptoms, no symptoms. We're gonna have symptoms at the end, because I don't want to cure. We're just working on a transmission right now. I guess we just have to wait until, okay, 8 disease DNA. What does that even mean? News. There's no news. Okay, water. Water is a big one. I'm gonna go for water. Still only 2 people infected. Kill every. Okay, yeah, I know. Okay, I got 10 points. Oh, mosquitoes. Okay, yes. Alright. Okay, 3 infected. Nice. Okay, that stuff is paying off now. Okay, good job, Australia. Finally, blood. Okay. Now that all that's up, I'll just, 5 people infected in Australia. 6. Oh damn. 7. Oh my god. Oh no, pigeon. That was the last one. 8 people infected. Okay. I'm gonna speed this up by 10 people, 11 people infected. I wanted to spread out other countries. That's the main objective of the game. 19, 20 people infected. Well, that was quick. Okay, I guess once it's starting. Holy, we're going up by every nanosecond there's a new person infected. Damn. Okay, we're just going by fast, so what if we go down by slow? Okay, it's still pretty fast. Blah, blah, blah. Hot legions. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get that one. Oh. Worldwide, animals. All countries rats and other non-human disease in chips. But oh, that's not good. That sucks. So basically, that just said is they're gonna check to make sure there's no rats. Hundreds infected. Oh, nice. Hundreds of people are carrying that is sad? Question mark. You can increase the blah blah blah. I already know. But I have 0. But I get 0. Okay, in the world. Well, has it spread to other countries? Hold on. Okay, so nice. It's only in oh my god, I'm not gonna check Australia. It's only in Australia. That's not good. But I mean, do we really need Australia? Do we need laser boom? I don't think we do. So, bye-bye Australia. I still don't see any red. Oh my god, look at that number. It's going up. Oh, damn. Oh, we just reached over 1,000 symptoms. Resistance, okay. Disease is less affected by cold. Okay, yeah. This is the... Wait, you know, which one did I want to work on? Kill each species? Yeah, okay, this is what I wanted to get. As soon as we can get it. Blah, blah, blah. There's no work on a kill yet, which is good, I guess. So now what? We just wait until the world completely breaks. Alright. There's a point, oh my god, there's a point at this game where everything just quickly spreads in like a minute, and then every single country is just bye-bye. Every single country is gone. There's a bunch of like boats taking off and coming in this country though. Wait, that is sad is spreading at a higher rate than the yellow fever. I don't know what that is, but I guess that's good. Resistance. Can I go back? No, I can't. Yeah, I'll just get that. What was that noise? Holy moly! 100,000 people. Out of how many in Australia? Oh, barely any. Wait. Halogen. Maybe not the best. Oh my god. We're almost at 1 million. How many people are in Australia? 20. Oh my god, that's like 1/20th, 1/15th. More cases at the current rate. Dad is sad. Infects more people per year than HIV. Okay, that's a lot. Yep. Oh, I can see that number go. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. That is, it has infected more people in 1 year than. Oh my god. Okay. So you don't want them to work on a cure, so it's gonna be a big one. We're spreading pretty well. So I'll work on resistance. Okay, there we go. Water shortage. Ooh, okay. Oh, the boat. We're in southern Australia, not Australia, southern Africa now. Another one. Oh, okay, so now, oh my god, okay, yep. This is the point I was talking about we were gonna spread everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Now people are gonna start working on a cure. I'm gonna try to stop that. But no one's tried to do a cure yet, which is nice. Okay. Oh no, wait, that's not Africa. This is Africa. Ah, we're in Mexico. We're in southern, I don't know what this is. Yeah, Brazil. I don't know. Oh my god. Transmission? Nah, we don't need to work on that anymore. Okay, There we go. We really don't want them to get a cure. That will not be good. Okay, oh god. Alright. The whole world, wait, 3 billion people, is that, wait, what? Does that say 3 billion? Okay. Maybe it does, 3 billion people, alright. Yep, 3 billion. Okay, has anyone been dying? We can't let anyone die. There's no symptoms. Economic, uh-oh. Okay, more resistance. We can't let them work on a cure. Okay, as soon as everyone in the world. Wait, we're not even in green. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, the last country. Norway? I can't click that. Finland. Finland is the last country. Let's get some even more of that. Finland is the last country. This is on easy, so. Oh, look at Australia. Everyone's gone in Australia. Oh, Finland. Oh, no. Finland just got infected. Okay, so in the world, how many people in the world? I don't know, like 7 billion? Okay. So, when, sorry for that. Okay. Everyone infected. Okay. Symptoms. Evolve this like crazy. Sophie Stewart funding cure research. No! No! No. Oh, shit. No. Oh. Everyone's infected, right? Yeah, everyone's infected. So we just gotta wait till everyone dies. No one has died yet, though. Bad fuss, good for them. Well, there's 0 people dead. What was that noise? What was that noise? Oh. Okay, no one's dying still. Oh my god. Resistance, we might have to evolve that a little more. Come on. Seriously, no one's dead yet. Oh! Data set has become the Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay, now people are dying. Alright. I hear stuff. Eight. Okay. Cure 0%. That's nice. Okay, this is 2022. Symptoms, more symptoms. They need to die. Think about it, this game's pretty messed up. Black Death dataset has killed over 100 million people. It has become more deadly than the Black Death. Okay. I don't know half these diseases. People are always coughing in these games. I wonder why. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. And if you listen to my voice, it's really high, but it's actually low in real life. I don't know why it's so high, but like in life, it's way low. I'm not like 6 years old or anything. Okay, there's 0% done on cure. So, oh, Now getting the numbers in. Okay, says yellow's dead. Okay. So, people are starting to die. Water, choice. Wait, such as... Yeah, sure. Okay. 500 million people are dead. We might win. They're not even, like, finished a cure. They haven't even started. They funded, but they haven't gone nowhere. Meow. So much coughing. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I'm getting sick. Okay. Dead over 1 billion people now. All that number's really going up. No cure. So I guess we just wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. There was once 6, almost 7 million people on the earth. Now there's 4 billion. What did I say million? I meant billion. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh no. 2 billion people are dead. Okay, well. There's still a chance, a very small chance, that the cure could skyrocket. And there's like a thing that they found in dogs or some crap to fix it. 2023. So, okay. All right. Now, oh, and half the people in the world are dead. Okay. 0 cure. 0% on cure. Okay, guys, I think we beat it. We beat the game. Paleology? Wait, what's paleology? Whatever it is. Okay. 4 billion people dead. 0% cure. Is there like a way to like super fast travel? That'd be nice. Oh, they're crying. Falls. Oh, the population has died. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's like Corona, but no one's dying in Corona. Actually, it's the opposite of Corona. Okay. Now what, do I just wait? Why do I hear sirens? 5 billion people dead. Oh, look at it. I think we did it. Look at that number. Come on. We're so close. Come on. We can't even work on anything. Come on. 300 million. 200 million people. Why is everyone screaming? You're just gonna die. 100 million people. I'm surprised there's ambulance. There's basically no people. China's gone. Everything's gone. Oh wait, what is that? Oh. 26, 22. 15. Come on. 10, 8, 3, 2, 1. Did we do it? Come on. If it's gonna like stop it like the last person. Come on. Yes. Okay, guys. We did it. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If any of you want me to play any other game that's mobile, I'll play it. And thanks for watching. Bye.